A stone is to be thrown so as to cover a horizontal distance of 3 meter. If the velocity of the projectile is 7 meter per second, find the angle at which it must be thrown. The largest horizontal displacement that is possible with the projection speed of 7 meter per second. तो बच्चों रेंज गिवन है हमें कितना 3 मीटर, वेलोसिटी गिवन है कितना, जिसको इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u कह देते हैं, 7 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो रेंज का फॉर्मूला होता है u स्क्वायर साइन 2 थीटा अपॉन जी. Range is given 3, u square that is 7 into 7 sine of 2 theta, and we put g as 9.8. From here sine 2 theta is 3 into 9.8 upon 7 7 जा 49.10 आया, 49 1 जा 49 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 5 जा. That is sine of 2 theta is 3 by 5. Also we know that sine of 37 degree is 3 by 5. So we can replace 3 by 5 as sine 37 degrees. Sine got cancelled out. 2 theta is 37 degrees, so theta will be 18.5 degree. Okay, now we also know that for two angles, that is for two complementary angles, same range can be possible. So one of the angle is 18.5, another one is 90 minus 18.5. That is another angle for which range can be same will be 90 minus 18.5, that is 21.5. Alright, now so these are the two angles for which range of 3 meter can be possible. Next is the largest horizontal displacement that is possible with the projection speed of 7 meter per second. So students, here we have given initial velocity as 7 meter per second, and we have to find a maximum range, and maximum range is possible when theta is 45 degree. U square sine of 2 into theta, theta is 45 degree divided by g. Okay, so sine 2 into 45, that is sine 90, sine 90 will be 1. Range maximum will be u square upon g, and we have given u as 7 into 7 upon g is 9.8. From here 49 upon 9.8, point हटा दिया 10, 49 1 जा 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 5 जा, that is maximum range for u 7 meter per second is 5 meter. 5 meter is our maximum range. I hope बच्चों आपको हर एक कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ में